What up, guys? High octane Hemi here. Got my son with me.
Hi.
What's up? So I'm gonna do a couple pulls with this new cold air intake on it. And then I'm gonna get his opinion on what he thinks compared to the stock. So here we go. So that was just one pull, and you can definitely tell the difference between stock. Stock, it took it like a little bit to get there, and then it kick in. This one's kind of like almost automatic, man, when it kicks in, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
What'd you think? You have a little bit of pull to it? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Tell them what it did to you earlier when we took off. You said it gave
me an eerie feeling in my stomach.
Gave him an eerie feeling in his stomach. That's awesome. Oh, hold on. Let me put it on sport mode real quick. That was just regular mode. We'll put it on sport mode and see what happens. But, yeah. It's a nice day to be out and about. Here goes the second pull. Had a little bit of spin back there, but oh well. We'll get some new tires and we'll be alright. Wait till this red light come up here. We're gonna get your reaction. Hopefully we get a red light. There we go. Red light. Oh man. We'll check this pull out. You ready for it? Huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Oh my God, it's so funny. Wait till your mom get in here. She really gonna love it. Oh, here's another red light. Here, you hold the camera. We're gonna get it. Guys, we out here just having fun, man. It's all good. We just having a little bit of fun. Trying to get them pulls. I might do some 0 to 60 second times some other day, but right now I just wanted to I need to go get some gas, and so we went and got some gas, and my son wanted to go, and I wanted to throw him around a little bit, see what he thought, you know, his opinion on, you know, the exhaust or the cold air intake, how much of a difference it made. I can definitely feel the throttle response is good. It's better than what the stock was. I mean, you just push the gas and it wants to go. So he trying to lean so he don't get thrown around. Man, I kind of wish we were like at an old old parking lot, dude. I want to fling you around.
Let's go to the old airport.
Yeah, but you know, there's people gonna be up there, you know, walking their dogs and stuff. Man. Alright guys, if you enjoyed that video, you know, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you can get that notifications every time I post. So with that being said, High Octane's out. You guys have a good one. Old girl need a car wash. I'll do that probably tomorrow. So until next time, man. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.